I receive numerous earbuds inquiries per month, but none of them are particularly interesting to me. For me, I will spend days to review a pair of earbuds only if they are truly unique or crazy good. And the Linner Nova Hearing Buds I'm going to introduce today belongs to the former. Technically speaking, they are coordinated hearing buds because they are not like a normal pair of earbuds even though they look so. They are specifically made for people with moderate to severe hearing loss and make conversations better. A serious claim, is that true or just another gimmick? Let's take a closer look. Starting with unboxing, this is what that's included in the box. You get the charging case with the hearing buds inside. We're talking about that later. A Linner Connect that enables you to connect with the TV or use as a wireless mic. A detailed English manual, 3 extra pair of ear tips, a Type-C charging cable and aux 3.5mm audio cable. The charging case of the Linner Nova looks very much like a normal one from the outside. We have an indicator on the front to indicate the battery status, a charging port along with a reset button at the bottom. It also supports wireless charging, by the way. Opening the cover, we can take out the hearing buds. Inside the slots, we see each has a tiny built-in UVC lamp for sterilizing. Not sure if it's really working, but glad at least it offers such features, right? Moving to the hearing buds. The first thing you will notice immediately is both earbuds feature 2 physical keys for volume control. You press the upper key to turn up and the lower key to turn down the volume. The best part is they have separate volume controls for each earbud. As you probably noticed, they are even marked with different colors. Of course, it's hearing buds technically. Both ears might have different hearing impairment and you want each to independently adjustable. On the top of the stem, they have an ENC mic with a built-in indicator, whilst at the bottom is the voice pickup mic and charging contacts. Both earbuds also support infrared sensors for auto in-ear detection. To connect the Nova is very easy. Just go to your phone's Bluetooth list to find Linner Nova and click to connect. What really separates the men from boys is the Linner Nova's app. Just for the record, the app is still in its early stages, so don't mind the manual imperfections. If you see any, they will refine it. On the home page is the battery indicator and the volume level for each earbud. Under it is the mode selection option. It offers 4 of the most common scenarios. What's the best part is the hearing test. Find a quiet place and start hearing. It will test the noise and frequencies to measure your hearing ability. It takes about 5 minutes to finish the whole process. I'm pretty happy that I don't have moderate or severe hearing loss, or at least according to this test. But I suggest you do a thorough medical check with an audiologist if you feel the need to do so. So the million-dollar question is, how is the real-life test on Earth? Honestly, I'm not an audiologist and I just cannot give you a very professional analysis of the sound quality, but I can share with you my thoughts as a normal consumer after using them in different scenarios. I think it has the best result in a quiet environment for talking, and it definitely amplifies the voice and helps your conversation. It's really clear. So this is like word volume 4. So this is how it's like. And now I'm gonna increase to 5. Okay, now this is 5. Let me know how does it sound. I'm now gonna do it without the earbuds. Alright, and this is like how does it sound without any earbuds. Let me know. Alright, I'm now gonna check the sound. But I don't suggest use them in a too noisy environment, as they might have really raspy background noise, and they say that in their menu as well. One thing I found is if you adjust the volume to level 7 or 8, then the voice starts to break. Both earbuds to the maximum, like 8. Let me know if you can hear the difference. And I suggest you use volume levels below 7. Of course, if you really use 7 or 8, that means you may have severe hearing loss, and I think it's time to see an audiologist after all. This Linner Nova is not a serious medical hearing equipment. No hearing buds on the market can do that now. All that said, I'm impressed with the Nova earbuds, where nothing is like natural hearing. They will improve your ability to tune into certain sounds. And they're simple, powerful, effective, and easy to integrate into your life. And if you are interested in them, please check the link in the description and back the project now. I'm glad to see more and more earbuds brands competing in the healthcare race instead of producing those useless and no fun normal earbuds, because that's the way how our life improves, isn't it? Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. We'll see you in the next one.